Hi friends, welcome to another episode of my lifestyle vlog. In this channel, I'll be vlogging more about home tips and tricks. I'll be vlogging about DIYs. I'll be telling stories and lots more, so stay tuned. If you're having a lazy day and you just want to make something to eat and you don't feel like cutting and cooking and just being all over the kitchen, I suggest you roasting plantain with your oven if you do have. Over here in Saudi Arabia, most of the snacks available are having sour taste and cheesy taste, and if you're not a fan of all these flavors, you might make mistakes wasting your money to get them. A friend recommended this brand to me and I have been loving it ever since then. I tried to look for it over here and I didn't see it, so I no bother to get cheese balls. So what I did here was to get something I'm familiar with. I got some peanuts and I got that biscuit. It's a boring Tuesday night. It's that kind of night that you just want to go out and stroll and take fresh air and be revived and be happy again. Regardless of life's challenges, we move. We what? We move. My environment is so beautiful. Saudi Arabia is so beautiful, and they are very intentional about cleanliness. Like, it's very rare for you to enter a public place and you meet it messy and dirty. There is plan for everything. There are some nights that I hear sounds of heavy duty vehicles passing, and as in around 4 a.m. in the morning, and I'm like, what is going on? What are they spraying? And they're basically spraying insecticides on our roads so that they will kill all those flies and roaches so that our homes don't get infested. This is a government with a plan, with plans, not just plans. During winter, we can go to 9 degrees, we can go to 6 degrees, and sometimes it goes up to 22, 24, then it comes down again to 13 degrees Celsius. So it's that time of the year when it's like spring. It's not too cold, it's not too hot. I think it's currently 24 degrees Celsius. So I decided to take, I'm breathing heavily, I'm carrying load on my hand, load on my back. She's even awake looking at me. Okay, so, and this time is usually the time people come out with their kids to play in the park, and I'll be showing you how a typical Riyadh park looks like. There are fun games and fun equipment for children to play, the jangle over, the up and down, and so on and so forth. There is also public toilets for both male and female, and sometimes, especially during summer, you will get to see ice cream vendors. They'll come around to sell their ice cream and maybe go around 10 or 11 p.m. Are you enjoying the fresh air? My baby boo boo boo. My baby. Is he enjoying the fresh air? I'm looking for your daddy. Your daddy is not here. Are you looking for your daddy? The last time you came here, I think you were like 5 months and you were very active. Like, I no hear word for your hand that day. Show me banza. Show me shade. What they are calling banza. My oven was causing me so much embarrassment, so I decided to wash it this day, and I used Cetrice Surfactant. It's a very powerful surface active detergent liquid. This is the only brand of surfactant that I know works for me, so I sprinkled it graciously around the oven. I did not spare it. Spray it, baby. Yes, spray it, girl. Don't mind it, don't manage it. Cover the whole thing, and I discovered that the scales were already falling off the oven. So I proceeded to wash the pan of the oven too, using the same Cetrice, because the grease from the fish I boiled was still on the bottom of the pan. So I washed it with iron sponge, and I also washed the other parts of the tray with the same Cetrice, and I made sure they dried properly because they are prone to rust before keeping them back in my oven. After waiting for about 30 minutes, I went back to my oven to scrub it with iron sponge. Note that if I did not use Cetrice, scrubbing the oven with iron sponge would be in vain, because this grease had been applied to the body of the oven, because it has been a while since I washed it, and continuous use will make the stain stick to the walls of the oven. So I took a rag I used for dirty clothes to clean the oven for the first time. Yes, if you use a very neat rag, or use the rag I use for your daily chores, it is going to stain it permanently or just spoil it. So I had to do it a rough rag for the first time of cleaning. The glass, the cover of the oven was exempted, and also sure I cleaned it too. So this is how dirty the water was when I was done cleaning for the first round. The next thing I did was to get a soft microfiber cloth. This type of cloth can be able to penetrate the edges of the oven and help to clean better. So guys, this is what we have. I believe this is much better, so I took paper towel to drain it properly, because water and electricity don't like each other. So I was very careful to make sure I drained the oven to the best I could.
For he is God and God alone. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
The next day I was used for what to cook a pin. I decided to make akara with custard. Beautiful combination. Guys, I've tried to wash my pan from some videos I saw online, but I've not been able to get it. So I made some zobo, and this zobo was strictly for health purpose. No sugar. I put cloves, I put cinnamon. On this day, I went for grocery shopping. This is one of the cheapest malls in Riyadh, and they were doing discount sale, so I had to take advantage of it. That's another trick to save money. These chairs are beautiful, but it's safe not to buy it when you are not living in your permanent house. I love these toy cars. This Bentley is giving me life. This brand of orange juice is the most natural orange juice I've ever tasted in my life, and it has no sugar, so I recommend the 110%. I got Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is better than fatty yogurt because Greek yogurt has more proteins. Then I saw my favorite cheese balls, and this is when we were paying for all the things that we got, and voila, we are on our way home. My husband is following myself and his son. It was also Saudi Founders Day, so they were exchanging goods and trees. It was such a delight to read. They also gave him chocolates. This is what content creators go for. Please support me by subscribing to my channel. Thank you. The Christian living in an Arab country are stream services every Wednesdays and Sundays from Canaan and Living Faith Chapel, and I'm in love with this hymn. That's why I select to vlog it. There is nothing like the Lord Jesus.